Moringa every day for a month. Here's what happened. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, has gained immense popularity for its impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's no wonder that many people have started incorporating moringa into their daily diets. Curious about its effects, I decided to eat moringa every day for a month. Here's what happened. 1. Boosted energy levels. One of the first changes I noticed was a significant boost in my energy levels. Moringa is rich in iron, vitamin C, and other nutrients that help combat fatigue and increase stamina. Unlike the quick energy spikes and crashes associated with caffeine, the energy from moringa was steady and sustained, keeping me active and alert throughout the day. 2. Improved digestion. Moringa has a high fiber content, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Over the month, I experienced better digestion and regular bowel movements. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa also seem to alleviate any occasional bloating or discomfort I previously experienced after meals. 3. Enhanced immunity. Regular consumption of moringa appeared to strengthen my immune system. Moringa leaves are loaded with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and other antioxidants that help fight off infections and illnesses. During the month, I noticed a decrease in the frequency of minor colds and felt more resilient against seasonal ailments. 4. Clearer skin. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of moringa had a positive impact on my skin. Rich in vitamins A and E, moringa helps in cell regeneration and repair. Over the month, my skin appeared clearer with fewer breakouts and a more even tone. The natural detoxifying effect of moringa also contributed to a healthier complexion. 5. Weight management. Incorporating moringa into my daily routine seemed to help with weight management. Moringa's high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, its metabolism-boosting properties helped in burning calories more efficiently. Combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, moringa supported my weight loss efforts. 6. Better mental clarity and focus. Moringa is known to support brain health due to its high content of antioxidants and neuroprotective properties. Throughout the month, I experienced improved mental clarity and focus. Tasks that required concentration felt easier to tackle, and I felt more mentally alert. This boost in cognitive function was a welcome change in my daily routine. 7. Enhanced overall well-being. Beyond the specific benefits, incorporating moringa into my daily diet contributed to a general sense of well-being. I felt healthier, more energized, and more balanced overall. The combination of improved physical health, better digestion, clearer skin, and enhanced mental clarity made a noticeable difference in my daily life. How I incorporated moringa into my diet. To reap these benefits, I incorporated moringa in various forms. Moringa powder. I added moringa powder to my morning smoothies or mixed it into water or juice. Moringa capsules. For convenience, I took moringa capsules with meals. Moringa tea. I enjoyed moringa tea as an afternoon beverage. Moringa leaves. Occasionally, I added fresh or dried moringa leaves to salads and soups. Eating moringa every day for a month brought about numerous positive changes in my health and well-being. From boosted energy levels and improved digestion to clearer skin and enhanced mental clarity, the benefits of moringa were evident. While individual results may vary, my experience suggests that incorporating moringa into your daily diet can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.